junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. It's Saturday. It's the special voting video. Let's see the results. 1,196 of you have voted, and the winner is again, third time in a row, the Minion products. And today I've got something special. I've got the disassembly of Minion toys. And what is disassembly of Minion toys? Let's ask the AI. Here we go. So disassembly of Minion toys looks like this. A lot of fancy parts and undefinable tools. Yeah. So thank you very much, AI. If you want to see more AI fun, visit instagram.com/junkfoodtaster. Link is in the description. But anyways, let's do it for real. So I've got sort of my favorite Minion toys and also interesting ones. And I guess I will go from more to more sophisticated. So, these are the tools I'm using. These are screwdrivers. I bought them quite a while ago on Amazon. And you would need the screwdriver with a triangle head. Because these have special triangle screws. I'll show you. Here we go. So this is just a button and the tongue comes out. Then this is here electric with sound. This is the most complicated in terms of technology. So this has sort of mechanic for like audio generation. So this has a mechanism, charge mechanism. I hope I can all reassemble them. So this has like double mechanism, eyes and hands. So let's do it. So first time I'm unboxing toys. So yeah, I'm not a professional mechanics channel. So first there's 2 screws already. And let's see how the mechanic is inside. Yeah, I don't consider this like a toy video. For me, it's a mechanics video. And I get the idea. This is a terrible idea. Okay. So maybe these things are manufactured in a one-way process. I'm not quite sure. I try to get it open. Where is this open somehow? Okay, so I'm not quite sure. I have the feeling it was glued together. I'm taking this one here. Let's see whether I can open up this figurine. Here's this thing in between, looks a little bit bigger. Okay. So this video is of course like also an experiment. I think I will upload it also when it fails. Yeah. Okay. Here I remove the screws. Yeah. So this looks better, yeah. Alrighty, my beautiful friends. So I've created sort of a rift, but it's not opening. I also think here this head part, this is one part and you cannot separate. So I think this figurine is made in a one-way process. And I have to say, this is like my favorite Minion toy. And I definitely don't want to destroy it any further. So I guess I give up. So, yeah. I think they must have glued the 2 parts together. So I was always watching the screws and thinking I could screw it open. But yeah, I would destroy the toys basically in order to see what's inside. Maybe this one, let's see. Like, it's super disappointing episode, but yeah. So maybe somebody else has destroyed them. I'm not quite sure. Okay. Aha, so at least this one seems to open up. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, here we go, my dear friends. I open up quite a rift, and then I try to make the rift bigger and bigger. But it seems at the bottom they have sort of the one-way construction thing, which cannot be reopened. So yeah, I'm sorry guys. I will upload anyways, because I don't want to make another video. So we learned that McDonald's don't want you to open their toys. Okay. Yeah. So Happy Meal is laughing at me. Yeah, you have one Happy Meal. Come on. So. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's how it is. The alternative would be now for me. Yep. So I could make a complete new video now about this. But anyways, let's do the logbook thing, and yeah. On Monday we have a proper video again. Alrighty, so this will be the picture for the thumbnail and for the Instagram. So I put the screws back on off air. Here we go, logbook time. I think it's one of the most depressing videos I've ever made. Yo, and it was a Saturday video. So this time we're logging a real result. So what do we log? You cannot open McDonald's minions. Alright, without destroying them. Okay, so see you on Monday.